Hi. Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole, and it has been almost a year and a half since I last filmed a YouTube video. I have debated filming this video for probably the last year. Every single week, I think about, my goodness, I want to get back on YouTube, but how do I come back? How do I come back after taking such a long absence? What do I talk about? I really don't wear as much makeup as I used to. I think we all kind of went through that after the pandemic. So it's not a daily basis thing for me. So do I talk to you guys about what I'm actually, passionate about lately, which is home decor? I finally found my house. Do I talk to you guys about, my process in finding this house? Do I talk to you guys about George and all of the health issues we had with him and what I figured out? So I thought, let's combine it all into one. I will do my makeup, old school, get ready with me kind of video in natural light, because you guys know I don't mess around with that. I'm a natural light when doing makeup, kind of girly. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of run you through what's been going on. George is going to continuously hand me balls here, so I'll just give those back to him. But if you hear little scratches and pitter patters, it's George. I also, before I get started, had an epiphany last night as I was trying to go to sleep at midnight when I do my best thinking, I thought, how cool would it be, and different, because I don't think I've seen this, to film like 7-day challenge videos, right? So I went to sleep last night thinking, Brittany, it's time to not wear sweatpants every day. It's time to get ready occasionally. It's time to make sure you look, presentable for all of your Zoom meetings. I do have a, career 9 to 5. So I thought, what? For 7 days, you can get ready, you can get dressed, and you can do a little bit of makeup for 7 days. And then see how you feel. If you really like it, continue with it. If you hate it, stop. Don't do it anymore. So I wanted to see what you guys would think about that. Would you enjoy me doing, different 7-day, I don't want to call them like challenges, because it's not like I'm going to be like challenging my body, George. That's like the story of my life when I'm on a Zoom meeting. George will literally wait until I get on a meeting to start running around, passing me the ball, putting it under anything he can, so I have to get it. Comment down below if you have a dog that does the same thing. But I wanted to see if you guys would be interested in that kind of content, because I always want to try something, but I'm scared. I don't know what the results are going to be. And obviously it's going to depend, just like makeup, how it looks from person to person. And what I love, you might hate. What you love, I might hate. Same thing with, trying new things. It might not be something that you love, but I thought it would be kind of cool to try these different things. Like the first thing is going to be doing my makeup and getting dressed for 7 days and seeing how I like that. Then I was thinking maybe I could take a walk for 7 days, a walk around the block or a 30-minute walk or something like that. Take the dog with me, see how I like that. Maybe I could try, doing yard work for 7 days. Maybe I could try not watching TV after work for 7 days and just seeing how I feel after that. I thought I would be interested in watching that. I love watching the videos where people do like, I followed what blah, 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 ate in a day. I think they're really interesting. So I thought I could kind of do these challenge videos and see how that goes. So let me know what you think of that down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I had to, excuse George from the situation because he was making a little too much noise. So he's all set out there with his toys and everything he needs. So let's get started. I really like the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I do want to try the Jelly Pop primer, but I do enjoy this a lot. I do think it makes a difference with keeping your makeup on. So I'm just gonna apply that to my skin, and it is sticky. So I try to not like smear it too much on the face because it just feels funny. It feels like I'm tugging on my face, but I only have 20 minutes until I have to be on my Zoom meeting. So I'm gonna try to be concise with this video, right? So I'm gonna go in with the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I love this foundation. I cannot believe I waited so long to jump on the train of this foundation because, I don't have you on an actual tripod. I have you on my island chair and then a stool. And it's a mess. But I cannot believe I waited this long to try this foundation. It is genuinely beautiful. The coverage is like medium. I do hear it's buildable, but I do not wear full coverage anymore. And here I am talking all about makeup, even though I kind of wanted to give you guys an update. And I only have a couple minutes to do it. But I love this foundation. It's really good. It's definitely worth the hype. So anyway, back to my kind of YouTube absence. I never wanted YouTube to feel like I had to do it. You know what I mean? I never wanted it to feel like work because I have work. I have a 9 to 5. And it genuinely started to feel like that for me. When was that? I think the last time I filmed a video was like December 2022 maybe. So as soon as it started to feel that way, I kind of took a step back. I was also looking for, this is the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer, and I absolutely love this concealer. It is the best. I only need the tiniest bit and I love it so much. But yeah, I didn't want YouTube to feel like work. And because I was searching for a house for like 2.5 years and that was taking up all of my free time, I just had to take a step back, and I really wasn't wearing as much makeup anymore. So it just didn't feel as authentic to me at that point. I didn't, wear a full face of makeup. I would film my videos and then take the makeup off, and it wasn't what I wanted it to be. So I stopped. I was super stressed because George was sick. I was kind of trying to figure out what was going on with him, which is a whole nother video I can talk about. If you guys need advice on dogs, let me know in the comments. Send me a message on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram up here. Happy to talk through that. But yeah, it was just a lot at the time. So I needed to just take a step back for me and breathe. And now I have so much going on that I want to share with you. I'm excited to kind of get back into the makeup. Makeup has always been something that's been part of my life. I always love makeup and will purchase makeup. I just don't have as much, and I don't consume as much makeup anymore, right? Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in number 2. Absolutely love this stuff, but I just do not. You'll see as I'm going through this makeup, a lot of this stuff is the same exact makeup I have been using since 2022. When I find a product I enjoy, I'm going to repurchase it and I'm going to wear it. I am not someone who wants to buy all of the newest makeup and, review it or anything like that. I just want to kind of buy what I like and stay consistent. Now, there was definitely a time where all I wanted to do was purchase whatever new was coming out and review it as fast as I could for you guys, but I just don't have interest in that. I don't feel like people do that as much when I watch YouTube. This is the Patrick Ta She's Passionate blush, but maybe part of it is because the people that I used to follow are getting a little bit older, and I think as you get older, other things become more important, like landscaping. I kind of want to share that journey with you guys. I've done so much. Well, I haven't. I've kind of hired people to do the work for me outside of my house. The inside's great. I have a couple things that I want to work on, but yeah, I want to take you on that journey, and that's where I want to put my money. I don't want to put my money into buying the newest Anastasia palette that comes out because, I want to be the first one to review it. I think we had this point in time on YouTube where all people were doing was trying to be the first one to review and try a product, and that's just not for me. So, are you guys into home decor? If you guys have, stuck with me on YouTube, Instagram, you've probably seen, my passion for shopping at Home Goods and getting a good deal and decorating my house. That's I just love that. I love that so much. That's where I shifted when I stopped doing makeup content on YouTube. I kind of enjoyed it while I was doing YouTube as well, but I really got into doing, you know, interior design in my house and then helping my friends. I really, really enjoy that. So I wanted to know, are you guys interested in that? Do you want me to share videos like that? I really do think that that 7-day challenge is where I kind of want to focus. I think that's unique. I wish I could get into TikTok. It's not for me, which is unfortunate because I think in order to be discovered, you kind of have to go to, you know, TikTok these days. This is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. You guys know this has been my jam since I literally started YouTube. My brows like to go downwards, and this is the only thing that keeps them up and perky. I'm almost to the end. I've got mascara. I'm not even gonna do anything with my eyes because that's how I roll these days, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. Do you guys wanna see hooded eye videos still? Is that something you're interested in? I feel like a lot of you did follow me for that, so I can certainly, you know, continue some of that content and let you guys know what I do when, you know, I do have to do something on my eyes, but for the most part, I keep it like this. Maybe a little bronzer through the crease, but that's it. Again, not a surprise on this channel, the Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions. Since I tried this, probably 4 years ago, I have not gone to anything else. This is the best mascara in the world, and the fact that you don't have to tear at your eyes to take it off is just chef's kiss, the best. So let me know in the comments below, do you get ready for work? Do you guys work from home? Do you, you know, put on a little face every day? If you do work from home, do you, you know, stay in sweats all day? I have really, really fallen into that. And there's nothing wrong with wearing like sweats when there's nothing wrong in general with wearing whatever you're comfortable in, but if I wear sweats, I kind of want it to be more of like a sweatsuit and be cute and cozy, and something that at least looks put together. I don't want to just wear a random hoodie with oversized sweatpants. I want to try for my first 7-day challenge, which starts today, getting ready every single day for 7 days and seeing how I feel. Do you think you guys would want to like join in on those challenges if I do that? Would you want to see it more on YouTube, like long format content, or would you want to see that more on like Instagram, short, you know, form content that you can consume, or both, kind of, so you have the option to watch either or? Let me know in the comments. I need all of your suggestions to get the ball rolling again. My meeting starts in 8 minutes, so I'm getting very close here. I'm just gonna throw a little lip liner on to kind of outline my lips. What is this? This is the NYX. Again, you guys know how much I love these. The NYX lip pencil in Nude Truffle. And then I've had these on my radar forever, but I've just recently purchased it. It's the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Pink Quartz. Very, very comfortable lip oil. It's not sticky, and I hear that it's a dupe for those like beloved Decor lip oils. So I think that'll be it for this one. I also wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your support in my time away, all of the messages you guys sent me. It means so much to me, and I am so, so sorry I just kind of disappeared. I just kind of needed a break from all of the craziness, and we'll get into it more as I continue to make videos, but please let me know down below what you want to see, what kind of content you consume these days. Is it short? Is it long? Do you still like YouTube? Do you want to see makeup videos, hooded eye videos? Are you okay with the 7-day challenge? That really is exciting to me. I think that'll be super fun, and it's like endless, you know, different kind of challenges to do. I think that'll be so fun. So let me know your thoughts down below. If you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. It means the absolute world to me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. That wasn't so bad, huh? That wasn't so bad. Love you.